Hi, I'm Dr. Jeff Rohde with dentalcompare. I'm here with Judy McDonald from Crescent.
Hi.
Judy, I appreciate your time.
Thank you.
Now, for those who haven't heard about Crescent, tell us a little bit about what Crescent does.
Crescent Products developed a complete comfort product line for patients to give them not only the comfort they need, but proper support during procedures.
So that seems interesting because a lot of times what we see the focus is on the ergonomics for the dentist, but sometimes the patient is forgotten.
Absolutely, and the longer they're in the chair, the more uncomfortable they're going to become. So we developed a product line that would support the neck areas, the lumbar support, full chair pads, even a knee support to take additional pressure off the lower back, and they love them.
Right.
And doctors love them because the patient is now more properly positioned, so it makes your job easier in performing procedures, and it takes less strain off your neck and your back because you're working at more appropriate angles.
Right. Well, and that's kind of the thing. The chairs only have so many positions, and it seems like they're all kind of built for one size fits all.
Right.
But that's not really the case.
Well, all of us are built differently, so if they put the back and neck support into the chair, it's permanently there, and it's not going to fit in the proper area for every single patient.
Right. Well, what about for kids, too? I mean, I know we try to fit a child in my dental chair, and it's kind of actually funny watching them fit this small body into this massive chair. Right.
They don't fit the chair properly. They don't reach the headrest, so we actually developed two different types of booster seats for the children. This is for the youngest child who is first starting to come to the doctor for their procedures. This is the next level. It just lifts them up in the chair, brings them closer to the headrest, boosts them up, and it just makes it so much easier for the doctor to do their procedures.
And that's what I always end up struggling with, is the headrest is in the way to get to the child.
Absolutely. It'll lift them right up and bring them closer to where you need them.
Right. Now, what are these materials made out of? This is a pretty cozy material here.
It's very comfortable. We have a medical grade vinyl on the outside, which makes it very easy to use your disinfectants directly on them. They won't discolor, they won't absorb fluids, and then it's a regular foam inside. We also have many products that have memory foam inside. Technical word for that is viscoelastic foam, more commonly known as memory.
Right, so it'll actually mold around the patient's neck.
Regular foam can put pressure against the body. Memory foam actually conforms to the body, and that's why it's comfortable, and that's why it also enables every body type to fit the products.
Right, well I'm a little bit taller. I would love to try. You mind if I try this out and we can see how it fits?
Sure, let's do a demonstration here.
All right.
Jeff, this is our premium Bodyrest pad. It is a memory foam overlay that will fit on any dental chair, essential for any practice who's performing long procedures because it really helps take the pressure points off the whole body.
And this just sits right onto the chair itself.
Absolutely. In fact, there's a gripping material on the bottom of it, so it stays in place nicely, adapts to any chair.
Great, great.
The next item I'm going to put in is the back support. This fits the natural curvature of the lower spine. It fills that void area. Can you feel the difference that made on your back?
Yeah.
And this is our headrest.
Okay.
Now this is going to fit the lower part of the neck, which is where most patients feel a lot of strain during their procedures because there's nothing filling that void area.
Right. I might just go to sleep here.
You might. And when you bring your head back and the chin up, can you feel the support you're getting there with that headrest? Without it, you're going to have a lot of strain in that area. And another item that I like to put in would be our knee support, if you can bring your knees up. What this will do is take additional pressure off the back and your hip area. You're in a much more natural position when the knees are elevated, and that's why you'll often see your patients bring their knees up. It's a much more comfortable position for them.
Right.
What did you think when I put the knee support in?
This is much more, I mean, it feels like I could actually sit here for a long time.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
They really help relieve all the pressure points, and great for the doctors and the hygienists too because they have a better angle when you're more properly positioned. Okay. I'm going to bring the chair up. Are you ready? Okay.
Well, this certainly makes it feel more comfortable, especially if the procedure is going to be longer than just a few minutes.
Absolutely. Yep. These are really vital products to have on any dental chair where they're doing crowns, bridges, root canals. Any lengthy procedures, these make such a big difference to the patients. It's a small thing that a doctor can do to give the benefit to the patient, let everybody enjoy them.
Well, Judy, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Judy McDonald with Crescent Products. I'm Dr. Jeff Rohde with Dental Compare.